Hello, everybody. Welcome into Talking Fitchburg on this Friday, May 13th, 2022. Friday the 13th. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Well, that gives me a free excuse to have some screw-ups today on the show, right? Or does that count for, like, the whole year as I've been doing this and still screw up every day? I'm not too superstitious, but I don't know if there's a full moon tonight. It'd be kind of scary. Well, yeah, tomorrow's a full moon, Andrew told me. So, phew, guess we're okay. Yeah, I think if all those line up, then I'll be superstitious. But till then, forget about it. We got a great show for you coming up today. We'll be getting you the latest headlines as you head into the weekend, including talking about kids building Wisconsin, big event, good weather happening. We'll tell you about that event. Plus, preview another event coming up. Festa Italia returns to McKee Farms Park. We'll share the great details with that in an earlier interview we did this month. Plus, we'll check in with the Department of Trade Consumer Protection on utility scams. That's right, they're still happening, and we want to make sure that you do not get scammed and know how to protect yourself from these scammers. But first, let's get you some of the headlines. We start with National Police Week happening this week. National Police Week it started in 1962. President Kennedy proclaimed May 15th as National Peace Officers Memorial Day, and a calendar week in which May 15th falls as National Police Week. Established by the joint resolution of Congress in 1962, National Police Week pays special recognition to those law enforcement officers who have lost their lives in the line of duty and for the safety and protection of others. National Police Week is a collaborative effort of many organizations dedicated to honoring our Americans' law enforcement community. Thank you to the Fitchburg Police Department. Thank you to the Dane County Sheriff's Office. Thank you to the State Patrol, Wisconsin State Patrol, and all law enforcement for what you do. We certainly appreciate everything that you're doing out there for us to keep us safe. And also helping out and keeping us safe is Canine Drago, who apparently is celebrating his 40th year of service. What? Yeah, it's hard to believe, but this is Mark's Canine Drago's 40th. That's 40 year of service to the department. Drago sincerely appreciates all the support he has received from his pack. That's all of you over the years. And yeah, you can adjust that to dog years as 5 years of service. Congratulations, though, to Drago and his handler, John Parker, both doing a great job out there protecting all of us. And I love when John put together and said the pack. I think that is such a cool thing. And hopefully you have met Drago. If you're not, he is an amazing, well-trained dog. And we have an awesome canine unit here in Fitchburg. All right, turning our attention to some construction projects. County Highway MM and McCoy Road intersection project continues through August. Remember that this construction is to put in stoplights here at the intersection, but that also is going to give way to some closures. And not closing the road, but making left turns. You cannot make a left turn from McCoy Road onto Highway MM. Not happening. And you definitely can't make a left turn off of Highway MM onto McCoy. Not happening. This is all part of safety measures as the crews work to get these stoplights installed. This project is in coordination with Wisconsin DOT and the city of Fitchburg. 1 month closure at Todd Drive ramp will be starting this weekend. The Todd Drive ramp to eastbound Beltline in Madison will be closed for 30 calendar days starting at 8 p.m. on Sunday, May 15th. Motorists must use alternative local routes during the closure. Crews will be restructuring a portion of the ramp. As part of the Flex Lane project, the ramp closure and work operations are weather dependent and subject to change. You can learn more about the Flex Lane project, including a narrated operations video at wisconsindot.gov/FlexLane to keep that in mind. And please check that out. We'll share the link as we share our headlines. Turning our attention to activities this weekend, Kids Building Wisconsin returns to McKee Farms Park this Saturday. I wish I had like a construction vehicle in my hand. That would have been cooler. But either way, dig your way into this event. Kids Building Wisconsin is a fun, free event with a focus on getting kids interested in numerous exciting careers available in the construction industry, sprinkled across beautiful McKee Farms Park in Fitchburg. They'll have over 40 exhibits run by many construction industry professionals. excuse me, organizations and local trades. It's getting me all choked up. All exhibits and fun, interactive, and educational. All exhibits are fun and interactive. Let me say that right. And always, Kids Building Wisconsin is a free event. So it'll be taking place tomorrow, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at McKee Farms Park. The parking situation can be tight at the park. So this group has set up nonstop event shuttling. So the shuttles will be picking up from 3 locations. Runtime is about 25 to 30 minutes. Available 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. And that is at the Tri-North Building, City Hall, and EDW. So if you're interested in checking out those places, you can stop there and take a ride into the park. Also, there's a lumberjack show this year. May be loud, so consider bringing some earplugs for the kiddos. I know my kids have sensitive ears, so something you want to keep in mind. All right, that does it for our headlines. Coming up next, we're going to preview another great event happening here in the city of Fitchburg. It's Festa Italia. Plus, later we'll check in with DATCP. Talk about utility scams. All on this Friday the 13th. Spooky. Talking Fitchburg.